In this video, you get to join me on my first group ride ever. The last weekend in July, I took a scenic ride with a few friends up to Virginia City, Nevada, which is a small town about 16 miles southeast of Reno. It's a great ride, and I know I'll enjoy it even more as I gain more riding experience. Now at this point, I'd only been riding for a month, so especially around the tighter turns, I was pretty slow. Now I can't say that I've ever been quite so happy to see a 30-mile-per-hour sign. Usually I'd be annoyed, but this time I was actually pretty relieved to see the slower speed limit. The view going up this road is just amazing. So when my friend pulled over here, I was actually pretty excited because I thought we were going to check out the view. But then I realized he was just pulling over to let traffic get by us. Sorry about that. Fortunately, the group I was riding with were all really cool and very patient with me. As we ride over to Virginia City, let me tell you a little bit about the history of this amazing town. Virginia City was founded in 1859 and was the focus of a gold rush. Within a year, it became the region's largest community. Besides gold, the Comstock lode was the largest silver ore ever discovered in the US. Some reports state that by 1882, over $300 million of gold and silver had been mined. At its peak, Virginia City had a population of over 25,000 and was called the richest city in America. Nevada actually became a state when it did because of this little town. If you ever have a chance to come up here, I definitely recommend stopping at Red Dog Pizza. We stopped in to grab a few slices, and while we were there, I noticed that Virginia City appears to have its own ninja. Or maybe he's a cowboy ninja. Not really sure how that works. Once we finished our food, it was time to head back down the hill. Riding through Virginia City is like taking a step back in time. It's a cool little town with an amazing amount of history. We started heading back down to Reno just as the sun was setting, which made for a spectacular view. And yes, I felt the need to point out the sunset just in case my friend behind me had missed it, because that's what friends do. This was a really fun ride and a great group of friends to ride with. I can't wait to do it again. If you like this video, even just a little bit, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. See you next time.